Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about what makes men fight for you and not take you for granted. If you're new to my channel, check out the description box. Usually I leave there links to some of my other related videos, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's start talking about these features that make men fight for you. First one, having high standards. Not accepting any BS behavior. Having the portrait of a man in your mind that can make you happy. When you know what you are looking for in a man and you do not accept less than that. You know what you can tolerate and what is not acceptable. Second one, when you love yourself. You take only what you want, you do not go for less, you do not stay with a man who's not treating you well, you surround yourself with people who appreciate you, and you do not communicate with people who do not respect you. Men are irresistibly attracted to a woman who loves herself. They can feel the inner power in her. It is magnetic and very beautiful. When you love yourself, you take care about your health, your appearance, the way you dress up nicely, and you do that not as much to impress others, but for yourself, for your own pleasure and for you to feel even more beautiful. You listen to your desires and your dreams. Next one, when you enjoy your own company and when you enjoy the life and try to live it to the fullest. Men want to be near you, they want to spend more time with you. You're not complaining and talking about the problems all the time, you're not being pessimistic. You look at any difficulties as their lessons and as something you need to learn, and you do not stay in a victim mentality. Also, you do not suppress your negative emotions. You are in the peace with yourself. Having these qualities, you won't act needy and desperate. You won't be texting men all day, every day. You won't text him when he doesn't even reply. You won't sit and think about the strategies on how to make him like you, how to make him be with you. You won't be in a relationship that is not serious, like some friendships with benefits, just to make it a serious relationship, just to make a man commit to you. Next one, you are attractive to men when you have fun by yourself. You do not feel miserable and lonely just because you don't have a boyfriend. You take the time and you use it for good. You use it for your own growth. You are trying to make your dreams come true. You work on your goals and hobbies. You hang out with your friends. You meet new people and so on. And even when you are in a relationship, you do not feel sad when your boyfriend is busy or away. You do not sit and wait for his call or text. You have so many interesting things to do. You cannot be bored. You do not live only to be with someone. Your world does not revolve around any guy. Next thing is you have a passion. You have something that excites you, and so there's no extremes to be in a relationship because there is not much interesting going on in your life and you have a lot of energy and you put it all into a relationship, when in fact you need to actualize other part of your personality. Because when you focus all of your energy on relationship, it can be a lot for one person, for a guy. He feels like he doesn't know where to run from all that attention, jealousy, messages, your questions, you needing him to be next to you all the time. And the last but not least, when you look at his actions and you do not trust only his sweet words. Because when you only listen to what the guy says, he can get away with a lot of BS. He can say that he is not ready for a relationship, he is not ready to talk about any future. He can give you excuses on why he disappears and does not text back, or he was absent for a few weeks or even months, and then he can appear like nothing have happened. Of course, he needs this, but he doesn't value you because you're always waiting for him. He knows you need him, and he can feed you any lie and fairy tales, and you'll still stay with him. He doesn't need to put much effort. He wants you to be convenient, and if you won't, he'll just find someone else. Okay guys, so today we've talked about what is attractive and what makes guys take you for granted. Let me know your thoughts down below. Hope this video was interesting for you and helpful. Check out my other videos, like and subscribe. Okay, bye!